Unity Broadcasting as today in an Auburn intersection. The one way they come on by Buwe Road for Candon, where they go by Clantown, Table Naton. And this, the other one, and they go inside Sakasini Street, Table. We go inside Kisi Road, Sakasini Street. Now Table inside Town A and in this also. Now in the so. Other road there. This are the SLROA under the leadership of Engineer Gali Momodu, under the Director General. They on this massive upgrade of this road here, where they connect here. After they will continue the past year, they afraid because of the gallop way there, because from where they make here during the colonial days. This bridge, that be a very small bridge, not even bridge like a culvert, sorry, not to be even culvert where they make like they make like a pipe, now be them big iron pipe and I didn't pass there, but like a very small, so the water always they come up the hill where they can down, it makes us say, you know, it will go fine. So what do? They go up the culvert, they pour the road, serious one. So any 1-2 year, then they pass again, yeah, quota. But the major issue was that not a quota they need. They need for change the entire drainage way be there for change the entire one. So this trip here under the leadership of Engineer Jali Momodu of SLROA, they don't gonna make sure say they don't change the entire bridge culvert. They don't get the one way big person 10 times bigger than that. Then they don't get now. Also, they don't say that inside 3 days they go do here. But according to the engineer, Engineer Lewis, he said that they will work on that time. Say, but yesterday, if they don't work the highest, but the rain yesterday affects them greatly. Say, but they will try the 11 best they will done on Monday or Tuesday. For like the work they will done, for like they open this one, because this road is a very busy road. This, and a very busy road. This, where they will try all kind of way for like they able done. They give a contract to Pavi Forts, and Pavi Forts they don't try a lot. They honor since this morning, Wakanaya. They do on massive developments here. So that you see them. They are massive developments. You see them? This you know using a hard work this, but they did one. As the engineer they all there now, they do on the currently they do on the work for flop the whole length, for try for add this other last side for let it flop. They get for also Guyana here. From here now to go, you don't see the old pipe where it is there. Now the old pipe is where it is there. Very small. But now they got this bigger one, where it big like this. Now they go for Guyana. These are Unity Broadcasting as we give now the fact and reality of what they happen on the ground. We not only rely on they say, we can on the ground for let them tell you now what they happen. These are Unity Broadcasting.